Let's make learning very easy and more interesting with the help of some activities. So here we are going to learn about the topic electrostatics with the help of some interesting activities. In the activity you are seeing the students rubbing the balloons with their heads. What are they doing? Can you guess? Yes, they are trying to generate static charges on the surface of balloon by rubbing them against their dry hair. Yes, rubbing means friction and friction generates heat and that is sufficient to generate static charges on the surface of balloon. So here after rubbing you can see one balloon started moving away from the other balloon. This is called repulsion because both the balloons acquire same charges after rubbing, so they started repelling each other. In the same way, here you can see both the girls are rubbing the balloons against your hair, and let us see what happens after some time. So here you can see what's happening when both the balloons are set free in air. Both are repelling each other. They started moving away from each other. This is because both the balloons acquire same charges and same charges repel each other. So by friction force we can generate charges on the surface of insulators which are called static charges.
ठीक है. सो क्या फंक्शनिंग होती है इलेक्ट्रोस्कोप की? टू चेक वेदर एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज चार्ज्ड और नॉट. ठीक है, आपको दिखाई दे रहा है कि मेटल की रोड ऊपर से नीचे तक जा रही है एंड यू कैन सी हेयर द गोल्ड फॉइल्स. दिखाई दे रही है नीचे फॉइल सबको. ठीक है, तो दोनों ही इलेक्ट्रोस्कोप के अंदर आपको यहाँ पर फॉइल नजर आ रही है. सो व्हाट विल हैपन, अगर हमारे पास एक चार्ज ऑब्जेक्ट होगा, हमें चेक करना है चार्ज ऑब्जेक्ट है या नहीं, तो हम क्या करेंगे, हम उस ऑब्जेक्ट को यहाँ टच करेंगे. क्लियर? यहाँ टच करेंगे तो क्या चेंज शो होगा हमें, जो ये लीफ है आपके पास नीचे, इन पर क्या आ जाएगा, सेम चार्ज. जो ऊपर से चार्ज गया पॉजिटिव चार्ज है तो दोनों पर क्या चार्ज आ जाएगा, पॉजिटिव चार्ज. ठीक है, पॉजिटिव चार्ज दोनों पर आ जाएगा तो दोनों लीफ क्या हो जाएंगी, रिपेल करेंगे एक दूसरे को, दूर चली जाएंगी. अगर चार्ज नहीं होगा तो इनके अंदर कोई चेंज नहीं होगा. ठीक है, तो अब आप अपने बलून्स को रब करो और टच करके चेक करो कि आपका बलून चार्ज हुआ है या नहीं हुआ.
So here after rubbing the balloon with the dry hair, we will check our balloon is charged or not. For that we will touch the balloon on the upper end of this metal rod, and here you can see the gold leaf are repelling each other. Okay, now let me move to the activity number 3 where we will move a paper strip using electrostatics, that means using physics. So here same concept, static charges we will use to move these paper strips. You can see here students are arranging the pen and at the top of the pen you can see the paper strips. So students are again rubbing the pen against their hair, and this rubbing will generate static charges and those static charges will do the magic. You just wait and watch. So after rubbing, when pen is brought closer to this paper strip, this started moving without any air blow and without any touching. The paper strip are moving. This is because pen is charged by friction and static charges.
रबिंग की वजह से भी ऑब्जेक्ट क्या हो जाते हैं, चार्ज हो जाते हैं. नाउ रब अगेन.
So let me move to the activity number 4. In this activity, student will try to pick up small pieces of paper using the concept of electrostatics. So here students are again rubbing and charging their pens, and here you can see the small pieces of paper on the notebooks, and after rubbing the paper they are trying to picking up the small pieces using this charged pen, and they are doing it successfully, and you can see the pieces are getting attached to the charged pens, and you can see the paper started sticking to the pen, and this is due to the charge acquired by the pen due to rubbing. So this is what is electrostatics.